Good day, sir. I am GL Errol C. Cajes from G2F-1, and I'm here to discuss the 7 common ship stress and the counteracts. The 7 common ship stress is hugging, sagging, shear stress, force, torsional stress, panting, pounding, and rocking. First is hugging. Hugging occurs when the ship's center experiences upward buoyant forces due to being supported by a wave crest, while the bow and stern are subjected to downward forces from the weight of a ship. Ang hugging kuno kanang agsintro sa barko na bali pasaka or upward. Next is sagging. Sagging happens when the bow and stern are supported by a wave crest while the center of the ship is on a wave throw, causing downward forces in the center. Ang sagging pod kay ag sentro daw sa barko nabali paubos or downward. Next is shear force. Occur when adjacent section of the ship experience unequal vertical forces, especially near the midship area or where weight distribution changes abruptly. Mahitabo ni siya if imong barko dili equal or di maayo pagka-plastar ang mga karga. Mauni ang shear force. Torsional stress generated when the ship is subjected to twisting forces, often due to uneven wave action on the port and the starboard side. Yung barko ni mo ani mura kuno giliso left to right or right to left. Next is pinting. Refers to the flexing in and out of the hull plating, particularly at the bow and stern, as a ship moves through waves causing significant stress and potentially leading to hull damage. Next is pounding. Common in rough waters, pounding happens when the ship's bow rises above the water and slams down forcefully. Ang pounding anang kusog ang bow sa dagat niya. Ang barko mo, ang bow sa barko musakar pakalit tungod sa bow, tungod sa kadako sa bawd nya ikalit raglamba ang bow sa barko sa dagat. Next is rocking stress. Rocking stress in a ship refers to the transverse distortion of the hull structure, particularly at the corners, that occurs when a ship rolls in a seaway or is struck by beam waves, causing the deck to move laterally relative to the bottom structures. If na ay bowed ang inyo kunong barko kay inigbowed ato mura kunong itakilid ang inyong barko kung asa man padong ang bowed. Yan, nasa ni chance nga or tendency nga ang side sa inyong ship kay ma-deform tungod ani. And that's all, sir. Thank you.